Oh my god!
Gen Z are more into games than they are into beer.
Oh!
So to become part of their world, Heineken tapped into gaming culture, using its cooling expertise to bring a solution to their most discussed topic.
Why my computer was overheating.
Temperature that is so hot and unsustainable that the system just cuts off.
If your PC is always overheating.
You see where this is going, right? Heineken introduces the gaming fridge. The ultimate gaming PC that is also a Heineken fridge.
We solve the cooling problem by merging the two, resulting in an iconic object inspired by the culture of computer modification and playing video games.
Before the launch, the fridge prototype leaked online, taking over the gaming communities.
Absurdo, Heineken. Que coisa maravilhosa. Vocês são gays.
Fridge with a PC on top. Perfect combination.
Heineken, I want this.
Cara, é um PC, é uma geladeira. Que é isso?
Everyone wanted it, but could they get it? Yep. They just needed to win League of Legends Finals MVP, or get this most desired gaming gadget on the internet in one of the streamers' raffles.
Bye-bye overheating, hello gaming fridge.
Driving an F1 car from a fridge. It is crazy.
El sueño de todo gamer, señores.
It's like my perfect product.
My regular fridge could never do this, no.
Gaming PC with a fridge inside. That's innovative, guys.